What's the meaning of blazon? Blazon. Blazon.
Blazon. Blazon. The word blazon can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. However, its most common definition refers to the act of describing or portraying something with elaborate detail and vivid language. This term is frequently used in heraldry to describe coats of arms, shields, and emblems by using specific terminology and symbols. The blazon is a system of codifying and standardizing these descriptions so that they can be accurately reproduced and identified. Furthermore, blazon can also refer to publicizing or proclaiming something, like a news headline. In general, the term blazon implies a detailed and accurate representation of something for people to see or understand.